Hi guys, welcome back. This is LA Laura. As I told you, I was going to be back. Here I am. Eccomi qui. Today I decided to teach you a very important topic. It's more like a verb. And this verb is very common, very used in Italian. It's the verb piacere, piacere, the infinitive. So it means to like. But piacere by itself can also be used as to say nice to meet you or how do you do? Right? When you introduce yourself, you can say piacere, mi chiamo Laura. Or in your case, you would have to add your own name, not mine. Okay? So the verb piacere is an irregular verb. So it has to follow its own rule. Okay? And the very first thing that you have to know about this verb is that the subject is actually not the subject. So when I want to say I like risotto, for instance, it's like saying risotto is pleasing to me. To me. This is why before we even start going through the verb piacere, we have to recap the indirect pronouns. The indirect pronouns are the pronouns that answer to the question to whom, a chi, a chi. So the indirect pronouns are mi, ti, gli or le, masculine and feminine, ci, vi, and gli, both for masculine and feminine plural. So when I say I like risotto, I will have to say mi piace il risotto, which is like saying risotto is pleasing to me. So first thing that I want to ask to myself when using this verb is to whom is something likable or pleasing? In this case is to me. So I will start the sentence using the indirect pronoun me. I will use the verb referred not to me but to risotto. So risotto is doing the action of being pleasing and likable to me, right? So mi piace il risotto. Let's see the conjugation of the verb piacere. Piaccio, so io piaccio, tu piaci, lui o lei piace, noi piacciamo, voi piacete, loro piacciono. In the use of the verb piacere, the most used conjugations are going to be piace, so as to refer to the third singular person, and piacciono, as to refer to the third plural person. Because what is likable to me, to you, or whomever? It's either one thing or more things. So if it's one thing, it's going to be piace. If it's more things, it's going to be piacciono. So now I want to say I like trees, gli alberi. Trees is plural, so I have to ask myself, to whom are trees like pleasing or likable? To me. So I start by saying me, then I will have to think about the object of the sentence, which is trees, gli alberi, which is plural. So I will have to conjugate the verb referred to the trees. So I will have to say mi piacciono gli alberi. So risotto is one thing. Mi piace il risotto. Mi piacciono gli alberi, which is plural. Very nice. So let's see a few other sentences using the verb piacere. She likes music. To whom is music pleasing? To her. So, le piace la musica. Piace is referred to the noun la musica, the object. So, la musica is pleasing to her. Le piace la musica. Or another sentence. We like you. So, to whom is like you, likable, pleasing. We like you. Ci piaci. If I want, I can skip and not say you because I'm already saying piaci and I know that piaci is referred to you, but I can either say ci piaci tu or simply ci piaci. We like you. Another sentence could be they like flowers. Gli piacciono I fiori. To whom? To them. Gli piacciono, piacciono is referred to a plural noun, fiori. Gli piacciono I fiori. Very easy, right? And so the same rule as for the verb piacere, you can apply to the verb mancare, which is irregular, just like piacere. Mancare means to miss. So it's going to be the same rule. I miss you. Mi manchi. Let's see the conjugation of the verb mancare. Io manco. Tu manchi. Lui o lei manca. Noi manchiamo. Voi mancate. Loro mancano. But again, the two most common conjugations that you will use are going to be manca. Well, for this verb also manchi. Manchi, manca, or mancano. So again, she misses him. To whom is he missing? Right? If you can say so in English. To her. Le manca lui, or simply le manca. We miss our friends. Ci mancano I nostri amici. I nostri amici is like the object, and so I will have to conjugate the verb according to gli amici, which is plural, and so will have to be the verb mancano. So ci, to us, ci mancano I nostri amici. Another sentence could be I miss my freedom. I miss my freedom. Mi manca la mia libertà. La mia libertà is being missed by me, to me in this case. A me manca or mi manca la mia libertà. Oh, let's see also. We just saw the indirect pronouns. Again, mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, gli. These are indirect pronouns and they answer to the question to whom, a chi, a me. So I said a me. So another way to use the pronouns, so I can use the pronoun exactly like the indirect pronoun me, or I can use the extended form of a me. A me would be the same as to say me. One is me and the other one is to me. Okay, so me or to me. Me or a me. So I can say I miss my family. Mi manca la mia famiglia. Or a me manca la mia famiglia. Ti manca la tua famiglia. Or a te manca la tua famiglia. And so on. So like he misses his family, gli manca la sua famiglia, or a lui manca la sua famiglia. A lei manca la sua famiglia, or le manca la sua famiglia. Ci manca la nostra, now our family, ci manca la nostra famiglia, we miss our family. You guys miss you guys' family. Vi manca la vostra famiglia, or a voi manca la vostra famiglia. And finally, gli manca la loro famiglia, or a loro manca la loro famiglia. Vi sono mancata? I missed you guys. Mi siete mancati. This is another way of using the same verb. But let's not start with that. Let's not even start with that. Okay guys, lesson's over. La lezione è finita. And I will see you soon because as I promised, I have started doing videos again. Va bene? Okay, thank you very much. And I will see you soon. Thumbs up. Ciao.